Frequently asked questions about the S60100 servo drive. What is the height of the S60100 without connectors? The drive is 275 millimeters. How much does the S60100 weigh? It weighs 4 kilograms. What is the DC bus link voltage? It is between 290 and 675 volts. What is the auxiliary power supply rating? It is rated at 24 volts DC. What is the operating temperature of the S60100? It operates between 0 and 45 degrees Celsius. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all S600 drive sales and replacements.